It is Money Monday, and we're just 1 week away from tax filing season. Individual tax returns can be filed starting January 29th, and it goes all the way to April 15th. Paul Hood with Hood CPAs joins us today. Paul, good to see you. This is your Super Bowl, huh?
Yeah, it is.
Anytime, yeah, busy.
Yeah, it's a love-hate relationship.
I bet.
It's harvest season, yeah, for sure.
So for those at home, how do they know if they need to file more than just a standard 1040?
So if really most people can file a standard 1040, if you don't have a rental property or you don't have a business on the side, those kind of things, and then you can generally file the regular 1040. They used to have what people called the long form or the short form, and that really meant if you itemized or not, but it's really basically the same form.
Better in the old days, too. You can just use a computer.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, let's talk about married couples. Is it better to file jointly or separately?
So 95% of the time, there's a penalty for filing separately.
Okay.
It's better to file joint. The reason you'd file separate, though, is sometimes if you've got a premium tax credit for the health care, Obamacare, and you have to pay some of that back, sometimes it's better to file separately because it's only based on one person's income. Or if you're married to somebody who, there's a rule with the IRS that says you're jointly and severally liable, meaning if two people file together, the IRS can collect 100% of the tax from either one. So if you've got a spouse that you're not sure they're filing their taxes right or are going to owe money, you might want to file separately.
Talk to your spouse privately about that.
Yes, that's right.
And then finally, we got one more question here. When should you take more than the standard deduction?
So, I mean, it's a simple question, is if you add up your mortgage, interest, charities, property taxes, state income taxes, and they come up more than the standard deduction, you should take it. Now, sometimes we have to look. Sometimes it's better to elect to take less than the standard deduction, and that's if the state allows you certain deductions, because the state is a piggyback. Most states are piggyback states, and if we can come up with more deductions for the state, their standard deduction, versus the impact on your federal, sometimes it's better to elect to actually take less.
Okay. Paul Hood, thanks for being here. We appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
We'll be right back.